What's going on, guys? Scott of Miller Marine. Haven't posted any videos about our Cemor mapping lately. I figured I'd give you guys a little heads up on these things. They are badass. I'll zoom out here. This is down in the lower keys. You can see some stuff out in the Gulf. They don't have that great of stuff in the Gulf right now at this point in time, but they are slowly going to do it. I believe this is off Boo Key. It looks like here, you can kind of tell. Some bottom out there. We zoom out and go over to where our area is. We're up in Tavernier. So here's Key Largo Sound. That was Rodriguez. Here's Tavernier Creek. Here you go. There's Tavernier Creek. You see, look at this. Look at these edges right outside of our of us right here. You guys want to come by the shop and take a look? I got the screen blown up on our big screen. It's really cool. Check out that. If you guys want to come and take a look, you know, give me some coordinates. You're like, hey, I want to take a look at where this is. We can plug it in here, find it on here, and you can see. But I mean, just look at this, guys. I've been out running my boat with this on it. I haven't been able to go crazy offshore because my boat is not that big yet. But I am in the middle of building a new boat that's going to allow me to go out deep dropping all that stuff, and I'm going to put two 12s or 2 16s and then also a upper station on it. So I'll have this loaded in my charts all the time. But I mean, look at this. You're not going to see this stuff unless you have it marked on your machine already. You're not going to see this stuff on your chart. It's pretty cool. Look at all these little cuts in here. You can see the cuts. That's going into there's Snake Creek. I believe this is like the family sandbar area. I know this is Whale Harbor. Whale Harbor, look at that, how detailed that is. There's the family sandbar there channel. Pretty cool, guys.